I'm Shae Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is Andrew Paterson, the Managing Director for Great Boulder Resources. Andrew, it's great to have you back on. How are you?
I'm great. Always good to chat, and thanks for your time again.
Thrilled to have you back on, and I'm loving to see the progress happening within your projects. We have a rig that has been moved down to Mulga Bill North. Tell me, what can we expect to see from this program?
Yeah, so this is a really high priority program. So we're following up on results from last year where we kind of belatedly identified the main target contact for this high grade vein hosted mineralisation stretching up to the north, and we're now going back in with the RC rig and targeting that contact, looking for more of these high grade occurrences. So basically pushing out those results along strike to the north and south, and building that towards a mineral resource.
I'll come back to the expectations on Mulga Bill North in just a second, but I know this rig was at the Sidewell South prospect. When can we see some results from that program over there?
Yeah, well, as soon as possible. So literally at the moment we're expecting them in the next 1 to 2 weeks, which is a little frustrating, but things are getting busy over here in the gold space, and so I think the labs are starting to slow down slightly. We had been trucking along for the last couple of years at about a 3-week turnaround. It now looks like that's at about 4 weeks. So yeah, as soon as we can, and we've got 71 aircore holes in the pipeline for Sidewell South, so that's quite a big program. Goes all the way down to the southern end of our targets there. So the sooner we can get those out to market, the better. We're really looking forward to seeing what we've got.
Absolutely. And speaking of seeing what you've got, now I know over at Mulga Bill you've already got 500,000 ounces of gold on the books. What can we expect from Mulga Bill North? Could it be the same?
Yeah, we actually think it could, or it even has potential to be better. So we've done some more technical work over the break, looking at all the different kind of pathfinder gradients, if you like. So trying to zero into the best bit, and the northern end does look like the hottest. It's the deepest weathering. We've got it. It looks like the dike there is actually the centre. So we've drilled 4.5 k's south of the dike, 1.5 k's north of the dike. So that implies, if that's true, there could be another 3 kilometres there that we haven't even tested yet. So I think we're reasonably confident that we'll find another 500,000 ounces at Mulga Bill combined, and get 1 million ounces just in one area, which is fantastic, and that's just the start. And I think it's a really big prize, so we're looking forward to it.
It sounds like 2025 is going to be the year for Mulga Bill. Listen, Andrew, thank you so much for being here today. I cannot wait to see what these results pull out.
Great, thanks very much.